There are lots of roller skates for men you can pick from. They all have different things about them, such as good stuff and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these roller skates are helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Chicago Skates. The Chicago Skates Premium Black Quad Roller Skates offer a timeless blend of style and functionality, ideal for boys and men who are beginners or enthusiasts alike. Featuring a classic adjustable high-top design, these skates cater to indoor and outdoor use, including roller derby. The durable construction ensures longevity, with sturdy yet comfortable boots that provide ankle support during skating sessions. These skates are designed for versatility, allowing users to adjust the size for a customized fit as their feet grow or for varying comfort levels. The smooth rolling wheels are suitable for both indoor rinks and outdoor surfaces, enhancing the skating experience with stability and control. Whether you're practicing your skills, enjoying leisurely skating, or participating in roller derby competitions, these skates deliver reliable performance. With its sleek black color and premium quality materials, Chicago Skates maintains its reputation for crafting dependable roller skates that combine classic design with modern features. Perfect for beginners looking to explore the world of skating or seasoned skaters seeking a reliable upgrade, these quad roller skates promise hours of enjoyment and excitement on any skating adventure. Number 2. Roller Derby STR7 Men's. The Roller Derby STR7 Men's Quad Roller Speed Skates is designed for enthusiasts and competitive skaters seeking top-tier performance. Featuring a durable and supportive boot made from synthetic leather, these skates provide comfort and stability during intense maneuvers. The skates are equipped with lightweight nylon plates that enhance agility and responsiveness on the track. For speed and control, the skates come with high-ribboned urethane wheels in a 62mm size, paired with Bevo Silver 5 race-rated bearings, ensuring smooth and efficient movement. The lace-up closure system, combined with a power strap and micro-adjustable buckle, offers a secure fit and customizable support. These skates are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, thanks to their versatile design and durable construction. Whether you're racing around the track or practicing your skills, the Roller Derby STR7 Men's Quad Roller Speed Skates deliver on both performance and durability, making them a reliable choice for serious skaters looking to elevate their game. Number 3. Pacer Aero Men's Roller Skate. The Pacer Aero Men's Roller Skate blends performance with comfort, which is ideal for both recreational and competitive skating enthusiasts. Designed for men, these skates feature a durable synthetic upper that provides ankle support and stability during maneuvers. The padded collar and secure lace closure ensure a snug fit without sacrificing comfort. These roller skates boast high-quality components, including sturdy trucks and smooth rolling wheels. The wheels are designed to offer excellent grip and maneuverability, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor use. With the Beck 5 bearings, they deliver a smooth and efficient glide, enhancing the skating experience. Whether you're skating at the rink or cruising through the streets, the Pacer Aero Men's Roller Skate offers versatility and durability. Its classic design, coupled with modern performance features, caters to skaters of varying skill levels. Number 4. Roller Star 600. The Roller Star 600 Men's Quad Roller Skates blends classic style with modern performance, perfect for both beginners and seasoned skaters alike. Crafted with a durable synthetic upper and reinforced heel and toe, these skates offer excellent support and longevity. The traditional high-top boot design provides stability and ankle support, which is ideal for mastering various skating techniques. Equipped with oversized urethane wheels, 58mm 40mm, these skates deliver a smooth and stable ride, suitable for indoor and outdoor skating surfaces. The Beck 5 bearings ensure efficient rolling with minimal friction, enhancing speed and maneuverability. A lace-up closure system combined with a Velcro strap offers a secure and customizable fit, while the padded collar and breathable lining ensure comfort during extended use. Designed with a sleek black and white color scheme accented with bold red highlights, the Roller Star 600 Men's Quad Roller Skates exude a timeless aesthetic. Number 5. Roller Derby Cruise XR. Experience the thrill of roller derby or casual skating with the Roller Derby Cruise XR Rush High-Top Men's Roller Skates. Engineered for both indoor and outdoor use, these quad skates blend performance and style seamlessly. The Roller Derby Cruise XR features high-quality components designed to enhance your skating experience. The durable and supportive high-top boot provides ankle stability, which is crucial for maneuvering and maintaining balance during intense skating sessions. Its classic quad skate design offers a timeless look combined with modern functionality. Equipped with smooth rolling urethane wheels, these skates deliver excellent traction and control on various surfaces, making them versatile for rink skating or outdoor adventures. The Silver 5 speed-rated bearings ensure a smooth glide, allowing you to pick up speed effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned skater or just starting out, the Roller Derby Cruise X are Rush high-top men's roller skates, cater to all skill levels and preferences.